Okay, we're looking at timers today, and this is one of your, what is it? Invensis. It's one of these clamshell plastic timers, and you can see there's two little tangs here on each side that this big white sort of shaft clicks into. See right here, there's one of the little tabs that this tab catches. And so basically, this goes on here. In order to get the knob off, you have to pull this center piece out. So that's what that looks like there. And so on this particular one, and so kind of goes like that. Now this particular one, you can just remove the set of points by just lifting up, and it sits on this little sort of pin here. And then these points here were a little bit toasted, and I cleaned them up with some light sandpaper, and you can see the dark marks where the timer has burnt on there. And so basically you want to make sure you get this right, and so basically this little round pit here in the middle will go down on this particular one here. Oh, in order to crack this half shaft here, you have to push down on these tabs on the outside. There's like 1, 2, 3. I had to break one there. 4, 5, 6 tabs on it that hold it together. But once you get it apart, you can clean the points on it and then put it back together. And so the little round pit here in the middle goes down toward the cog. And so once you've cleaned it, and you can close the tolerances a little bit. I had to close the tolerances on some of these because they just weren't making contact. That one that was burnt was open, so I had to bend the points together a little bit with a needle nose. And sometimes you can put a little bit of grease in here to make sure everything kind of flows well, whatever, rolls well. And so basically just goes on like that. You can see the outside of this tang here rests on the top part of this. And then once you get that on, you can just pop your clamshell back together. And so if you need any help, you can contact me at applianceworks@yahoo.com, or you can call 445-1591. That's area code 707-445-1591. And if you benefit from any of my videos, please send a donation to Bill's Enterprises, P.O. Box 7021, Eureka, California 95502. Thank you.